Hello children, we start with construction 2. To construct a triangle when its base, angle adjacent to the base and difference between the remaining sides is given. Construct triangle ABC such that BC equal to 7.5 cm, angle ABC is 40 degrees, AB minus AC is 3 cm. Now for this, we draw the rough figure. This is how the rough figure looks like. Now, since AB minus AC equal to 3 cm, it means AB is greater than AC. Draw segment BC. This is the first segment we draw. We can draw the ray BL. Okay, this is BL such that angle LBC equal to 40 degrees. We have to locate the point A on the ray BL. Okay, so take a point D on the ray BL such that BD equal to 3 centimeters. So whatever the difference they have given over here, AB minus AC, that distance we are going to take as BD, that is 3 centimeter. Now B dash, D dash, A, that means all these three lie on a same line. BD is equal to BA minus AD, or in other words how they have written, BD is equal to AB minus AD, which is equal to 3. It's given that AB minus AC equal to 3 means what? AD and AC should be equal. That's why they have replaced AD to be AC. So for AD to be equal to AC, what do you understand? A should lie on the perpendicular bisector of DC, right? Point A is on the perpendicular bisector of segment DC. Point A is the intersection of the ray BL and the perpendicular bisector of segment DC. So this is the logic for this particular construction. So you have to draw BC, take angle LBC as 40 degrees. On this you will take this BD as 3 centimeters, join DC, draw the perpendicular bisector, and where the perpendicular bisector meets this line is your point A, and triangle ABC will be the required triangle. I hope you have understood the reason behind it. When I draw this BD as 3 centimeters, I get AB minus AD is 3. Now AD and AC should be equal for me to get AB minus AC as in the question to be 3. So if AD has to be equal to AC, point A should lie on the perpendicular bisector of segment DC. So that is the reason why we have drawn the construction like this. Again, for this construction, what you have to do is to draw the rough figure first, write the explanation, and then draw the construction. There is no need to write the steps of construction. Okay, so I'll show you how to draw the construction for this particular question. First thing is to draw segment BC, which is 7.5. So let's take this distance . BC, which is 7.5 centimeter. Now let's draw angle LBC as 40 degrees. So keep your protractor at B, mark 40 degrees, and so this will be 40 degrees. Now on this, we are going to take BD as 3 centimeters. So using your compass and scale, measure measure 3 centimeters, keep it at point D and cut an arc. This distance, this point is D and this distance is 3 centimeter. Now what you must do is join the point D to C. Okay, And now draw the perpendicular bisector of DC. To draw the perpendicular bisector, steel point at C, more than half the distance, cut an arc on top, cut an arc below the line. Steel point now at D, without changing the measure, draw the arcs. Join both these. This line meets this original line at the point A. Join this point to C. This will be your required triangle ABC. So ABC is your triangle. AB minus AD equal to 3 centimeter. Now since this is your perpendicular bisector, AD will be equal to AC. So according to your construction, AB minus AD equal to 3 centimeter. Instead of AD, I will replace it with AC. So I get my required figure and I get AB minus AC equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, so this is how the construction has to be drawn. Alright, now we go to the next construction. Clear and done. We go to the second construction on the next page. So take page number 54, children. Construct triangle ABC in which side BC equal to 7 centimeter, angle B is 40 degrees and AC minus AB equal to 3 centimeter. Now here the difference between the first construction and this is that the previous one it was AB minus AC and here it is AC minus AB. So we'll see how to do the construction for this. The rough figure we have drawn 7 centimeter BC, angle ABC is 40 degrees, AC minus AB is 3 centimeters. Now this is how we are going to do. Now segment BC equal to 7 centimeters, AC is greater than AB. So what we'll do is we can draw ray BT such that angle TBC equal to 40 degrees. Point A is on the ray BT. Take point D on the opposite ray of BT such that BD equal to 3 centimeter. Now AD is equal to AB plus BD. That means AB plus 3. That is equal to AC. Because AC minus AB is equal to 3. See, when I write AB plus 3 equal to AC, I can take AB to the other side. So I get AC minus AB equal to 3, which is what I want. Right? So for AC minus AB to be equal to 3, what should be the condition? AD should be equal to AC. Only if AD and AC are equal, instead of saying AD is equal to AB plus BD. That means AB plus 3 is equal to AC. So we got 3 is equal to AC minus AB, or in this case AD minus AB. That means from here what do I understand? AD and AC are equal. Now if AD and AC are equal, point A should lie on the perpendicular bisector of DC. Okay. Point A is on the perpendicular bisector of segment CD. So how we will do the construction? We'll see how to do the construction. So first thing what we have to do is draw. So this is the second construction. We will draw BC as 7 centimeter. BC is 7 centimeter. Now let's draw this angle to be 40 degrees. This angle will be 40 degrees. Now measure 3 centimeter on the scale and since it is AC minus AB, you're going to keep your steel point here at point B and cut an arc below. So we have extended this line below this, and this distance is, this point is D and this distance is 3 centimeter. Now you will join D to C. You will join D to C and draw the perpendicular bisector of DC. So keep steel point at C, more than half the distance, cut an arc on top as well as below. Now steel point here, without changing the measure, cut the arcs on both the sides and join both these arcs. This point where the line touches this line will be your point A. Join this point A to C to get the triangle ABC. So ABC is the required triangle. Now here we know that AD is equal to AB plus BD. We know AD is equal to AB plus BD is 3. Instead of AD, I can replace it with AC because AD and AB, AD and AC are the same because A lies on the perpendicular bisector. Right? So instead of AD, I can replace it with AC. If I bring AB this side, AC minus AB equal to 3. So this is how I will do my construction. So this is construction to the second part. So children, in this exercise basically you have two constructions. One is AB minus AC. So whenever you are given the construction in your question, look out how what have they asked. If it is AB minus AC, or if it is triangle XYZ, it's XY minus XZ, or if it's triangle PQR, it's PQ minus PR, then this is your construction. Okay. Now suppose if your construction is AC minus AB, or PR minus PQ, or XZ minus XY, then your construction should be like this. So based upon what is asked, you will decide whether you have to make the arc on the top or you have to extend it and draw the arc behind. Okay. So with this we finish with the second part of the construction. You will be able to do exercise 4.2. Now exercise 4.2, there are 3 questions to be done. So you can do all those 3 questions, and in exercise 4.2, the second question, construct triangle PQR such that QR equal to 6.5. Here angle PQR is equal to 50 degrees, not 60 degrees. There is a correction. Children, those who are having the new textbook, I think this question must be printed correctly. It should be 50 degrees. The ones who are having the old books, make the correction as 50 degrees. Okay. So you will be able to do all these 3 constructions of exercise 4.2, and you also can do problem set question number 4. Problem set question number 4. Okay. So that's it, children. Thank you.